Hello rail fans and welcome back to the Rusty Boxcar channel. Today we've got an M575-30 for you. Caught this one on June 30th, making its way south out of Cincinnati's Queensgate Yard, on the way down to our home of Nashville and Radnor Yard here. We caught this one a few miles south of the yard, just south of Covington, Kentucky, coming out of Queensgate there. It's going to be led up by 228, which is a YN2 painted locomotive, and 7242 is going to be along with it. Going to have 51 loads, 53 empties, 6,795 on the length. So hope you guys enjoy this one, and we'll be back soon with a new one for you. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it out there. If you did, please drop down below and click that thumbs up button to give us a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, either clicking the subscribe button down below, or you can hit the Rusty Boxcar logo on the right side of the screen. Drop us a comment also. We enjoy those, and we'll try to answer them as fast as we can.